Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today's review is from LuvinHairShop.com. I'm going to be reviewing a 12-inch bob full lace wig. This wig is Brazilian straight, and it does come with 3 combs, I should say, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and then it has adjustable straps in the back. So what I'm going to do before I start this review is cut the lace off, apply it to my head. I'm also going to use Got To Be Glue spray and the black gel to apply it, and then I will be back to tell you what I think about this hair, so stay tuned. Is the final result of the hair. This is a 12-inch straight bob wig from LuvinHairShop.com, as you've seen in the beginning of the video. This is my first time receiving hair for this company, but I must say I absolutely love this unit. This is my first time getting a short wig. This is my first time getting a bob wig, and I love it. I wanted to try something different, and so when they asked me to do a review on a bob wig, I hopped right on it because I've been wanting to do a review on a bob wig, or just have a bob look for a while now. The only con so far I have with this wig is that because it is short, it kind of does get nappy in the back of the nape. Because it's short, it's just sitting right there on the back of my nape, and you know me moving my head, clothes rubbing up on it, so it does kind of get nappy. But that's not bad at all. The hair itself, it doesn't shed. It's so pretty. When you get it wet, it waves up a little bit. So even though it says straight, when you get it wet, it has a pretty body wave, natural look wet, and it is absolutely gorgeous. For the first couple of days, I wore the hair straight or in that natural wavy state, and I'll have a video right here so you can see just a short little clip I posted on my Instagram of what the hair looked like. That's more of it's wet. That's that wet kind of wavy look. This is just a kind of beach wavy slash curl I did with my wand curl. The other con about this is that it only has 3 wig combs in the front. So there's 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, none in the back. There is adjustable straps in the back, but I mean, I feel like It should be tighter back here. I really wish it was a clip back here, but that's an easy fix because you can just put a couple wig clips in the back, snap it on, and it'll be even more secure. Even though there is not a wig clip on the back, it is pretty secure, but it does slide up just a little bit. So, I mean, that could be a con. But overall, I do love this wig. I give it a 10 out of 10. This is going to be my go-to unit for sure. I want to get back into wigs and stuff because I'm getting back into doing more reviews. I did take a break for a long time, and just doing a sew-in and taking it out and doing a sew-in and taking it out, that is starting to be way too much work. So I am going to get back into doing a lot of wig reviews, making wigs again. So yeah, if you're interested in this gorgeous wig, definitely check out the links below. This is a 12-inch, but I think it also came in a 10-inch. This wig is very beautiful and very affordable. So if you're interested in this wig, definitely check out the links below. This is my favorite wig right now, period, because it's just something different. Like, I've never had hair this short before, and I love it. Y'all know me, I love big, really long, 26, 28 inches hair, or huge curly hair. I've never had a look like this. So this is different for me, but I love it, and I think you guys will like this wig too, especially if you're into bobs, or if you just want to try something new. Check this out, luvinhairshop.com. The links will be below, and stay tuned for more videos. This weekend, I'm going to bring y'all probably at least 3 to 4 more videos because I have a lot of reviews that I need to do, so stay tuned. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.